guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Hands by Shay. So I'm back with another video where I will show you today how to make this cute little bikini top and bottom. So this pattern will be super easy to follow. It is very beginner friendly. However, this is the yarn that I will be using today. This one I got from Temu, so I will be putting in the description more information on this video, so make sure you look down in the description for more info. So guys, I have my 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, I have my darning needle, and also my scissors. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time I post a video. And to my regular viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for watching, guys. So guys, let's jump in the video. So to begin, we will start off by making a slip knot. So insert your hook, wrap it around, pull up a loop, and pull through. Now that you have your slip knot, you are going to go ahead and chain 25. 1, 2, 3. So now I have my 25 chains. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to work into the back loops, and I'm going to skip this first stitch and go into the second one, and I am going to be making a half double crochet. So to make a half double crochet, you will yarn over, insert your hook into the back bump, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now you're going to continue doing that until you get to the end, and I'll see you there. So now I have come to the end of making my half double crochets. Now I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, yarn over, going to the first stitch, and make my half double crochet. Now that I have my first half double crochet there, I'm going to chain 1, I'm going to skip 1, yarn over, going to the next stitch, and we're going to make our half double crochet there. We're going to chain 1, skip 1, yarn over, make your half double crochet in the next stitch. Here, chain 1, yarn over, skip 1, go into the next stitch, and make your half double crochet. So you're going to continue doing this same sequence until you get to the end. Chain in 1, skip 1, and go into the next and make your half double crochet, and I'll see you at the end of this round. So now I have come to my almost the last stitch here, and I have my chain 1. I'm going to yarn over, insert into the skip 1, insert into the next stitch, and make my half double crochet. And then I am going to go ahead and make one more half double crochet here without chaining 1. So you should have a total of 24 stitches at the end. So counting from our first one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Now that we have our 24 stitches there, we are going to chain 1, turn your work, and we are going to yarn over and make half double crochet in each stitches across. Yarn over again, going to the next stitch, yarn over, going to the chain 1 space, going to the next half double crochet here, and just continue making half double crochet in each stitches across until you get to the end, and I will meet you back there. So now I have come to the end of making my half double crochets, and this is what it looks like so far. Moving on to row 4. So from row 4 to row 15, we will continue making half double crochets right across. Make sure that you chain 1 and turn your work each time you're starting a new row. So I'm going to continue doing that, and I'll see you once I am at my row 15. So now I have come to the end of row 15, and I'm going to chain my 1, turn my work, and I'm going to yarn over and make my half double crochet here. And then I am going to chain 1, yarn over, and go into skip 1, go into the next stitch, and make my next half double crochet there. And we're just repeating the same step as we did here. Chain 1, skip 1, go into the next. Continue doing that, and I will see you at the end of row 16. So now I have come to my last stitch here, making my last half double crochet, yarn over, and make your half double crochet again, and then half double crochet in all the stitches across, just as we did before here. So I'm just going to continue doing that, and I will see you at the end of this round here, and I'll show you what to do next. So now I have come to the end of my row here, and this is what it looks like so far. So moving on, chain 1, turn my work, and now we're going to work on some ruffles. So now we've completed the bust part of the top here of the bra. So we are going to go into our first stitch, and we're going to make, sorry, I just made the wrong stitch. So what we're going to do now is we are going to do single crochets. So we're going to put 3 single crochet in each stitch right across. So we're going to put 3 in each stitches. So that's 2 stitch finished so far. Going to the next and make 3 single crochet, and you're going to continue doing that right across, making 3 single crochets in each stitches as you go across. So once you get to the end here, you're going to chain 1, and in each stitches you will be making 3 single crochet in each stitch. It's gonna get a lot tedious to put these stitches together because we're making the ruffle part of the bra. So you're gonna continue doing that, and I will see you at the end here. So now I have come to the end, and you can see that it is curling nicely. So I'm just going to chain 1 and turn, and I'm going to go into my first stitch here, and remember you're putting 3 single crochet in each stitches and this is where it's gonna get really tedious, because you'll be working in each stitches. So continue making your 3 stitches in each stitches, your 3 single crochet in each stitches, and once you get to here, I will meet back up with you, and basically you'll be doing the same thing that you do here on this side here. So I will see you at the end. So continue making your single crochets in each stitches, 3 single crochet in each stitches to be exact. And make sure you pull away to make sure that you don't miss any of your stitches, because you want the curls to be on the same level. So I will see you there at the end, making my single crochets. So now I have come to the end of making my ruffle for one part of the bra. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut my excess yarn off. Just going to chain 1, and later on I will go ahead and weave in the tail, and I'm just going to show you how to attach your yarn. I'm just going to get another one here. So you're going to go into the first stitch here. You're going to chain 1, give it a tie, and then you're going to go back into that stitch and you're going to make 3 single crochets. So that's 1, 2, and 3 into the next, and we're just weaving this tail in as we go along. So you're just basically gonna repeat the same thing as we did at the top part of the bra. Once you get to the end here, you're just going to chain 1 and start all over again, making sure that you put 3 single crochet in each stitches. So I'm going to continue doing mine, and I will see you at the end of making my bra. So now I have come to the end of making my ruffles, and this is what they look like. I went ahead and I also weave in my tails. So what I'm gonna do now is I am going to cut this off because our bra is now completed. So I'll weave that in later on. So I went ahead and I made the next part here. So this is what they look like so far. And I went ahead also and I chained 200 chains. So you can go ahead and make your 200 chain and also make your next part of the bra. And you will need 2 sets of strings, so make sure that you make 2 sets to weave in the space in here that we made. So I have my next string here, so I'll just show you how I weave it in. I just basically go in, let me just use my hook to just put it in. So now that I have that in there, I'm just going to go ahead and weave it through the O's. Going in and out, right across. And I'm just going to go into this last stitch here and finish that off. And I'm just going to pull it through. So making sure you have enough chains. If you want your strings to be longer, you can go ahead and make your strings longer. But I want mine at 200. And then I'll just go ahead and I will weave in next string here. Going into this part here. So I'm going from under and then into, and then I'll just continue weaving in my purl. So I'll just continue doing this and I'll meet back up with you. So guys, this is what the bra looks like. It is looking very cute. I love the way how it turns out, and this is the back part here, and this is considered the front. So you can tie these around your back area just like that. You can see that. So now we're going to put this aside and we're going to work on our bottom part of the bikini.